Here we are going to do the experiment that is for the relation between line current, line voltage and phase current and phase voltage for star connected balance load. ठीक है ना? Clear? Here we are considering the balance load. So now we will draw the first circuit diagram. So circuit diagram is like this. Clear? So here this is the R, this is the Y, and this is the B. This will be the, we are considering this is a three-phase supply. Which is this one? Three-phase supply. ठीक है, R, Y, B. This is a three-phase supply. Clear? For measurement of this current passing through this line, we will call it as the line current. So here we will connect the one ammeter. So it current passed through this line will be known as the IR, because it is IR. So this is IR, so it is called as the IR. Current passing through Y is known as the IY. So here we have connected ammeter, it will measure the IY. And this current passed through this branch is the IB. So here we will consider the ammeter. Clear? So this IR, IY, IB is measured by the all this ammeter. And this IR, IY and IB is what? Line current. Which one is here? Line current. Line currents are IR, IY and IB. This all three are the line current. Then here we will make the one star connected balance load. ठीक है ना? This is the your star connected. Clear? So this will be the R, this will be the Y, and this will be the B. So this is a ZPH, ZPH, ZPH. Take impedance of phase. Now here we will connect this line to the R. R to R we are connecting. Then we will connect the Y, Y to Y. Correct? Then we will connect the B. This is the B to B. Clear? Now in this phase, this is the what phase, this is known as the load side. What is said? Load side. ठीक है ना? This is clear? So load side क्या होगा आपका? Here current pass through this phase is known as, this branch is, you can say, phase current. It is denoted by the IR. Current pass through this branch is known as the IY, and current pass through this branch is IB. So this current passing through this branch, and here we will consider this is the common point, this is known as neutral N. Then here which one is phase current? Phase current is, phase currents are IR, IY and IB. Now see the current passing through, current pass through this ammeter, there is a line current, and it is the passing through current through the load is, that is the IR. So now see both current IR and IR will be same. The same current is coming here. So from these two we can say the line current is equals to the phase current. Clear? So we can say IL is equals to the IPS. Okay? This is the IL is equals to the IPS. Now the voltage between these two R and Y is known as the VRY. Clear? Voltage between VYB is known as the VYB, and voltage between this BY is VBY. Clear? So this one. So this voltage is known as the line voltage. What is known as line voltage? Okay, line voltages. Line voltages, which one is VRY, VYB and VBR. Now voltage across this branch is known as the phase voltage. It is denoted by VRY, VRN. Voltage across this branch is VYN, and voltage across this will be as a VBN. So this VRN, VYN and VBN is known as the phase voltage. What is the phase voltage? Okay, so this VRN VYN and VBN is known as the phase voltage. The relation between line voltage and phase voltage is the VL relation between line voltage and phase voltage is VL root 3 VPH. Here we are not taking the derivation, we are directly write on the formula. So now when we perform the practical, so we will check the line current will be equal to the phase current, and we will check phase voltage multiplied by with root 3 is equal to the line voltage. Clear? So now see this experiment. This is a supply. Okay. See, this is our supply. From this supply we are getting the supply voltage. This is known as the line voltage. Okay? Line voltage and line current. So this is RYB. So it is an input line and it will supply the RYB line current. Okay? And this is the what variac. Using this variac we can vary the voltage. So now see, the R is connected to the ammeter of the R. Clear? And this ammeter, positive of the ammeter. This ammeter, negative of this ammeter is connected to the load R. This is the load. Okay? This is what the load. So load R is connected through the ammeter and clear? Now see, next is what? Y. This Y is connected to another ammeter, okay, and it will measure the IY current, and this negative of this ammeter is connected to the Y of the load. Then B is connected to the another ammeter, so positive terminal, and this is negative terminal. So this ammeter will measure the line current, that is the IB, and this is goes to the IB. Clear? Now here this is the line phase current IR, IY and IB will be measured by on the load side, by the ammeter, this ammeter, and on the load side. Clear? So now we will start supply. See. Clear? So clear? Now see, this is on 0. Clear? So here we are going to increase the current voltage. Sorry. So you will see, so current is increasing. Okay, so we will fix on the some voltage. Okay, now see, this is the current. Okay, so see, these all are the ammeter. Clear? So it will measure the IR current, it will measure the IY current, and it will measure the IB current. Clear? So IR current, what is the value of IR? Near, it is near about the 3 or 4 ampere. Clear? So now see here, this is what, near about 3 or 4 ampere. That means this is the line current and this is the phase current. Both are the almost same. Here, now see the IY. IY is, it will be also the near about 3 ampere. Okay. So it will be near also IY is the near about 3 to 4 ampere. Approximately it will be same. Okay. So now here, see, this is again IB. IB current is what? 4 ampere. Okay. And see there, I current, phase current IB is what? Near about 4 ampere. So both are the almost same. So this is the relation. Now we will check the line voltage and phase voltage. So see, go. Now see, we will set the digital multimeter on the AC voltmeter. Okay, this is the volt and this is on the AC. Then we will measure the first line voltage. So line voltage between the R and Y. So see, this is R and this is Y. So what is the voltage? Line voltage, see here, 207.8 volt. This is the R Y volt. Then we will measure the Y VB volt. So this is the Y and this is a B. So this is the line voltage. See, 206.3 volts. Okay, near about it will be the same. Then next we will measure the R BR. Okay, voltage between the BR. So this is the what? 206 point, near about it is 207 volt. Okay. So now this is the line voltage. Now we will measure the phase voltage. So first we will measure the, this is the neutral point and this is the R. So here this is what 14.5 volt. This is the phase voltage. Then VRN. Then we will measure the VYN. So VYN is again 122.3 volt. Then we will measure the VBN. So this is the VBN 121.7 volt. These all voltage near volt will be same, but it will be some different due to the some instrument error. Okay. This is the. Now we will check the our formula. So how can we check? We will check line voltage is equals to the √3 VPH. Okay. So now you can verify this. We will now switch it. Close it. Okay. On 0. Then see calculation. What we measure the voltage, line voltage, one line voltage we measure, that is the, we are considering VRY. Okay. So value of this VRY is I think we got the 208.8 volt, and here we will go, this is the line voltage, one line voltage we have received, and another phase voltage we have received, that is a VRN. So VRN is what? It is 14.4 volt. So now we will check, we will see in the Kelsey. So Kelsey VL is equals to the √3 VPH. Clear? So now √3 into what is the VPH? VPH is this one 14.4. So now we have to multiply it. This value will be approximately, it will be same. So and this is the phase current, phase voltage. Okay. So phase voltage multiply with √3. So bracket √3 bracket close into 114.4. Okay, and it will be the near about 198.146 volt. So it is a little bit difference between these two readings. So we can say there is some error between the instruments. So we can't perfect, but near about it will be almost same. Okay. So this is our practical is relation between line current and phase voltage, and phase current, phase voltage for star connected balanced load. Finish.